Jess, how are you? Could you tell us what you're going to cover in our webinar next week?
Yeah, sure. So in the webinar next week, we're going to cover the basics of crowdfunding and then the 6 steps to successful crowdfunding, which is planning, storytelling, building your crowd, making the perfect project page, communicating that campaign, and then finally following up with all the backers. We're going to look at some of the big examples that we've seen on crowdfunding and some of the smaller ones. And lastly, we're going to look at what the common mistakes that people make are and how we can avoid them.
Oh, that's great. That's perfect summary. Let's get together on Wednesday next week and we'll chat in more detail.
I look forward to it. Thanks.